Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best fixes for iPhone not turning on issue. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. What are the reasons for iPhone not turning on issue? There will be lots of reasons that make the iPhone not turning on or stop responding. Here are some of the most common reasons. Using duplicate power cables and adapters. Improper turning on gestures. Overheating issues. Electronics failure. Physical damage. Battery health issue. Fixes for iPhone not turning on issue. Number 1. Charge your iPhone properly. Most people connect charger to their iPhone and forget to turn on the power switch. This is a very common issue faced by many people. So, before leaving your phone, try to check whether the power is turned on or not. If your iPhone is not charged even after power supply is good, then check whether the charger cable and adapter has any physical damages. Number 2. Hard reset. Hard resetting works most of the time when your iPhone is unresponsive. The procedure of hard reset varies from model to model, so visit the Apple support page and check for the hard reset procedure of your model. Number 3. Use genuine power adapters and cables. Everyone knew that Apple products are costlier. So, people go for cheap and unauthorized adapters and cables. Usage of these kind of products will drastically kill your battery health. So, try to purchase only the Apple authorized power cables and adapters. Number 4. Avoid overheating. Using multiple apps continuously for a longer time will increase the temperature of iPhone. Also, camera application will heat up your iPhone. This leads to slowing down the performance of the iPhone and starts to hang. So keep your iPhone idle for some time once you feel it warmth. Number 5. Repair physical damages. If you accidentally drop down your iPhone, it will make your iPhone turn off in some cases. And most of the times, your iPhone will turn on as usual. If not, then you need to fix an appointment and visit the nearest Apple store to get your iPhone repaired. Number 6. Replace battery. Every Apple user is aware that iPhone's battery will go on decreasing with the usage. When the battery health drained drastically, then you will face iPhone not turning on issue. In such cases, visit the authorized Apple store to replace the battery of your iPhone. Number 7. Reinstall operating system. In very rare cases, iPhone gets infected with virus and software crash. The only way for this issue is to reinstall the operating system. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.